Hello, you want the latest on what's going on in the Chaffee County, Colorado housing market? You've come to the right place. I'm Monica McCarthy, a realtor in Salida, Colorado, and I'm going to share with you the March 2024 housing market statistics for Chaffee County, Colorado, as well as highlight some numbers for Salida and Buena Vista, Colorado, the largest towns in the county. Now, to summarize briefly for you first, our buyer activity went up quite a bit. Our inventory went up just a tiny bit and our prices went up quite a bit. However, there's some reasoning behind that. So stick with me and I'll explain why our prices went up as well as a few other things. But first, let me talk about buyer activity. Okay, so this past March, Chaffee County, Colorado saw a significant jump in buyer activity. The number of homes that went into the pending or under contract status increased by 82% compared to last month and by 123% compared to March of 2023 last year. Additionally, our days on the market finally shifted down. They've been creeping up over this past winter and they peaked last month. They've finally are starting to go down. So in March, the number of days a home was on the market before it went under contract went down to 73 days, which is 37 days fewer than the 110 we saw in February. Now, both of these numbers show the shift into our spring selling season where our buyer activity is increasing. Now, inventory, however, did not increase very much. We had 48 new listings come on the market this past month, which was only 2 fewer than what we saw last month and 3 more than what we saw in January. So we're not seeing a whole lot of homes come on the market every month. We did end the month with 147 active listings, which is a little less than how we ended February. And like I said, our prices jumped quite a bit. The median close price for a home in Chaffee County, Colorado this past March 2024 was $725,000. This is a 29% increase compared to last month and a 29% increase compared to March of 2023. Now, the homes that sold this past month, they're 29%, we like that number this month, 29% of the homes that sold this past month were in the price range of $1 to $2 million. And get this, there were only 17 homes that closed this past month. That is not a big number. So if you see that nearly 30% of the homes that closed this past month were in that high dollar range, that's why our median home prices were skewed. So that explains it. So if you're closely watching our market in Chaffee County and you think, oh my gosh, their prices are just going berserk right now, pause for a second. Don't freak out. We do have an explanation for it, and it'll be interesting to see if this trend continues. I do not see our prices increasing this much. I'll be curious to see what happens in the coming months. So especially with this small of a market and with that few of numbers that are closing every month, we really have to look at several months in a row to get an idea of our trend and prices. So that's to explain why our home prices did jump up quite a bit this month. Now, looking at towns individually, Buena Vista had a median close price of $835,000 and Salida had a median close price of $680,000. And again, let's look to find out what's going on next month because both of those were a lot higher than prior months. Okay, as I said, we are fully in the spring market here in Chaffee County, Colorado. It's beautiful outside, it's getting warmer, and the buyer activity has increased. So we're starting to see that trend. We have definitely shifted into more of a buying season here. If you are interested in buying property in the Chaffee County, Colorado area, it is a good idea for you to work with a realtor that can really help you navigate this market. Anecdotally, we are seeing homes that are sitting, we are seeing homes that are being reduced, and we are seeing homes that are moving pretty quickly. So it really matters how that home is marketed and how that home is priced. And if you're not sure what's what, especially if you're navigating this market and you are trying to buy here, it really helps to have somebody to understand what is a good price, what is a well-priced property, what is overpriced, and help you know how much time you really have to look at it, because the days on the market are going down and more people are coming out and our inventory has not increased. So that means more buyers, fewer homes. We're going to start seeing stuff move faster here. So if you're interested in connecting with me to be somebody to potentially help you buy homes here, I would love to set up a time to chat. Please look in the show notes, the description below for my contact information. Let's set up a time to chat and see if we're a good fit for one another. That's what I do all day, every day, is help people navigate this market. And I'd love to connect with you if you're interested. So I'm Monica McCarthy, your resource for Chaffee County real estate. If you have any questions about buying or selling in the Chaffee County real estate market, please reach out to me. I'd love to help you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please subscribe so you're reminded of future videos, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.